Hey everyone, welcome to Code Stories. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about how our platform works by walking you through a portion of the tutorial for our Intermediate Python for Bioinformatics course. Each of our courses is structured similarly in that they all have this main story that is broken up into a series of levels. And each level has a few components. There's a chapter of the story, which then sort of naturally leads into the main problem that users have to solve in order to make it to the next level. In the case of the tutorial, the problem is pretty simple. It wants you to write a script that is able to calculate the GC content of a nucleotide sequence. And that may or may not be easy for you, but imagine that you get stuck halfway through. In that case, there are a series of optional tasks available that, if you can solve the tasks, will give you a hint that'll be helpful for the main problem. So let's go ahead and try to tackle task number 3, which asks you to write a function called squared sum, which should find the sum of the squares of the elements of a list. So let's see if we can do that. As we said, we want to write a function called squared sum. Let's say we're going to name the parameter array. And we can actually solve this in a single line. We want to return a float. That's the sum of x squared for x in the array. Simple as that. So let's go over here and select this file that we just created, upload it, and see if we get our hint. We do. So now we can apply that hint and what we learned in that task to the primary problem and hopefully make it to the next level. If you want to see more of Code Stories, or if you have any questions, then feel free to drop us a question or send us an email, and we'll be happy to get back to you. And we hope we see you soon.